Let's close this. So unofficially, how many of them has created WhatsApp group, guys? Unofficially. Anybody is created unofficially? So if anybody created the WhatsApp group unofficially, please let me know. If they ask your number, don't know. All right. So because this group, these are the not a permanent, guys. This is temporary. For temporary, if you encounter with some of them, the first thing, they not study, they hamper your learning. That is the first thing. The one who collect your number to make a WhatsApp group, just let me know. I will inform to my Naresh IT team. All right, guys, everyone is clear or not? Okay, everybody is clear. Every week I'm showing the offers to you. Clear or not? That means they also students like you, isn't it, guys? So when someone asks you to create WhatsApp online team, I'm just talking to everyone. Okay. So please let me know, guys. Understand? I'll escalate to the Naresh IT team because they won't study. They won't make you study. All right. And let me tell you all these things. Okay. Do not create some of the complexities and do not use your, waste of the time for all these things. Clear or not? We have Google Classroom. I gave you access. You have my number. Any questions, ask me. Technical questions, post the error, right? If you make fun, so that's out of sight, you can make, but do not bring to the picture. Clear, guys, everyone? Okay. So yesterday, my another student got the job offer. I will show with resume, with offer, all of things. Yes. Let me show you. Before that, let's talk about the topic now. So regressions, yesterday we started and it was mid. It haven't completed perfectly, but let me open this one. So just give me a moment. So yesterday, how much test sample I've been considered? 25%, right? So today, so till what part we build the model? Till which part we build the model? I think like confusion matrix we built yesterday. F1 score. Yeah. What is the formula of F1 score? 2 into precisions plus recall and all those things. Classifications report. Yeah. Oops. Just one moment. Let me execute everything at once. Yeah. We got F1 score with feature scaling, without feature scaling. With feature scaling. Without feature scaling, can we try once? Without feature scaling. So let's do this. Okay. Now 89% I have. Okay, let's keep it feature scaling right now. I wanted to change the test sample is how much percentages over here. Let me reduce the test sample to 20. Okay. Let me reduce the test sample to 20%. Now, can you tell me what could be the test records now? Let me restart the kernel. Online team, I hope you understand. Yes, Surya Prakash, Abhishek. 80 and 320 out of 400 records. If I go for it, so let's do this. I restart my kernel. Let me execute this one. Okay, let's run the file. Independent and dependent variable. Train test split. So here, yesterday I clearly explained this part, isn't it? Now I said 20% is testing. So 80 records goes for test and 320 records goes for training. Now standard scaler, for what purpose we use this? For what purpose we use this, guys? Scaling, yeah? So X-train has to be scaled from 58 to 0 to 1. And this also has to be scaled from 0 to 1. Let's execute this one, isn't it, guys? Yep, we done this one. The next step is, one moment. Anybody facing issues on logging? Just let me cross check quick. Just one. Excellent, Pawan. Very good. I have completed Python book. Actually, just give me some days, guys. I have to spend time with you as well, but due to some time constraints, okay, maybe we're trying to shift from one other room. Okay, where I can spend more time. Yeah, so no problem. I wasn't able to connect. Arshad, is it? Student panel say no classes available. I don't understand what. When? Oh, this is for yesterday. Arshad, you joined now? Images. Okay, very good, very good. 527. What about you guys? You're not working or not? Let me combine all of the notebooks right now. Okay, maybe I take some time. I'll combine. Very good, guys. The one who do this, I like it. I love them. Yeah, so please do it. Sinduri, yes, I'll agree. We will work together. Yeah, I will be with you. Okay, and Sumit, please take down all these things and make one consolidate file and create one proper notebook from this page to this page and just take charge of this one. Okay, anyone, it's not you guys, anybody else. Now let's go for it. If I go for this 20 percentages, now let's build the model. Now what exactly happened? Logistic regressions. So do you remember at 25% accuracy, just 1 second, 89, yeah, so we got 25% accuracy, we got 89. But let's build the model. At 25% means at 20% test data, let's see, accuracy will increase and decrease. What's your guesses, guys? Decrease or increase? Let's see. I think it will increase. Logistic regressions, yesterday I was talk about. What is the by default parameters, L1 or L2? L2, yeah, L2 is the by default parameters. So let's do this. Let me execute this one. Yeah, invalid syntax. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Now I predict text test. Yes, guys. Message name. Just one moment, guys. Something. Yes. Okay. Let me do it again. So just NumPy is done. Call the data set. Split the dependent variable and independent variable. Call the train test split package. Assign 20% to test data. Standard scaling is done. For X train, I scale to the data. X test scale to the data. Yes, guys. Sinduri, guys, everyone can online team. You can send the details to Sinduri. I mean, they will post Sinduri. You can take down from them. Yes, Sinduri, they will post. You can consolidate this online. Offline, you take care of it. Okay. Yeah. So here, X scale is done. And next one is called logistic regressions. Let me build this one. Okay, classifier. I explained all these things yesterday. Yeah. I build the model X train, Y train. And I predict with X test. Now I predict with X test. Now let's see confusion matrix. What is the accuracy now, guys? Anyone tell me? 57.1. So 57.1 and 7. 517. Sorry. 94. 57.17 means what, guys? TP is what? 57 plus 17 divided by total. 74. But I got this accuracy is 92.5. All are wrong. How do you calculate this, guys? 74 by 80, right? Because the test is 80, right? Total is 74 by 80 is 93, isn't it, guys? So accuracy is increased or not now? Accuracy is increased. So which is good model? 89 or 92.5? 92.50. I hope you understand, guys. Yeah. Do you see how to increase the accuracy? How to increase the accuracy? Now let's check. The important part is before I build this. So here, what is type 1 error and what is type 2 error? Type 1 and type 2 error. How many records? 5, 1 and 5 plus 1, 6, right? Yes or not, guys? There are 6 errors, type 1 and type 2. So this is one. See, logistic regressions does not require the visualizations. Understand? Does not require visualizations, but still on the sessions I explained you. So let's do this. If you explain this one, so let's copy image and paint. Let's control V here. Linear or not? Multiple linear calls from linear model. So how many records are misclassified happen? Can you check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6? Correct? These are the, can we remove these errors or not? 4. No, Yasin, it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because red side there is a green points, but the green side there is a red points. Yes, Yasin? Yes, Induri. So this is called 6 points. I mean, is misclassifications happened here, isn't it, guys? True. Now, how to check what is meant by overfitting? What is meant by overfitting? More features. Overfitting means low bias or high variance, right? I explained you or not? Bias means training data or testing data? Training data. So let's do, I'll check, does my model is overfit or not? Bias equals to sklearn.score xtrain, one moment, xtrain comma ytrain. It's score, I think. Oh, where exactly the score I just calls up? Just 1 second. Accuracy score, no. Just 1 moment, guys. Just 1 moment. I will check it out. Just give me a second. Just 1 moment. So bias refers to the training, right? The score parameters I just calls from. So here we go. Explain why train. When you talk bias, so let me execute this one. I'm sure I'm gonna get the error part. sklearn is not defined. Oops, no. Just 1 second, I think. No, wait. So I think, just 1 moment. Just it was just simple package, guys. Just 1 moment. We need to check whether the model is overfit or underfit. Yeah, it's very important. So just Control F. Just 1 second. Very simple one. Okay. Classifier.score. This is the model. I'm just thinking something. All right. Check there's no attribute score. Classifier underscore score. Now let's check this. Just 1 second. Just one moment. Okay, I got this. So now this is what instead of LR, I said classifier, extrain, and let me, what is bias, guys? What is bias? 82 percentages, right? I hope you understand. Now, what is variance? Equals to classifier dot score X test and Y test. Now, let's see variance here. If you see this, what is variance? 92. See, guys, are you understand or not? So here, bias I got 82 percentages, variance I got 92, AC. So now, did you check, is it a good model, or does model is overfitting or underfitting? Does model is overfitting and underfitting? Or it's a good model? Online team, are you understanding or not? Is it a good model, overfitting model, and underfitting model? I would say it's a very good model because good, very good, Yasin. The reason why 82% is first grade, 92 also first grade, isn't it? So now let me tell you, if accuracy is 92 percentages, variance is 92, and bias is 60, then low bias, high variance, the model is overfitted. Team, are you understand or not now? What exactly I'm trying to say right now? Yes, guys? Where create classifier object? Now, classifier is the model. To hold the logistic regressions model, we create classifier object. Okay? Yes or not, guys? So in this case, let me tell you here, the two things, very important things, guys. Please understand, if the accuracy is how much you got, guys? 92.50, right? And bias, which build the model with training data, I got 82 percentages, right? Variance is 92 again. So this is a good model. So what is meant by good model? I'll tell you what is the future predictions. Okay, voice is breaking. Now it's fine, Wasim. I understand this is something's happened. Yeah. Now can you hear me, guys, everyone? Can you hear me? Now let's say if accuracy is 92 percentages, bias is 92, and variance is 55. Okay. Is it underfitting? Underfitting. I hope you understand. How do you see practically? How do you see practically, guys, which is good model? Every time you need to check how exactly you need to check the model is overfitted or underfitted. Everybody's clear or not? So now what is overfitting concepts? Now let's copy this and paste here. If accuracy is 82 and bias is 52 and variance is 82, so what happened, guys? This concept is called overfitting. So I'm sure you understand the logic, guys. Everybody's clear or not? So I hope you understand. This is what the main important topic. I just wanted to low bias. Yes, Yasin, low bias and high variance. It's interesting or not, guys? When you guys are understanding concepts practically, it's very interesting. And before that, because of these concepts only, you know, same things you will get in calls, guys. Just one moment. See, I'm not wasting your time. Let's understand. Another students got the offer. I'll show you. But in the meantime, let's talk about, if I remove the feature scaling, what happened? The accuracy will increase or decrease? The accuracy will decrease. So you can do it on your home. Yeah, you can do it on your home. And at 25%, you check what is bias and variance. If accuracy and variance you get same, not a big issue. Because we build the model, we build the accuracy with test and pred, right? Variance also only test. So it's not a big issue. I hope you understand, guys. Now, let's say what happened. You're happy, you build a good model so that your future predictions would be 92 percentages. What is meant by future predictions? I will tell you. I will tell you right away. But before that, remind me this one, guys. How to build a future predictions. This we build the model for historical data, isn't it? We build the model for historical data. Now, I will tell you this one. I'll stop here. But before that, you happy? You said you drop an email, sir. I built the model. My model got 92 percentages. Can we? I wanted to take a meet. So to the business lead. So he was quite happy. They also wanted to see. Come on, can you show me the model? How exactly you build the model? Now I remove the random state here. What I'll do? Okay, I'll remove the random state here. Everybody's clear. Now, after remove the random state, let's restart the kernel. Now, what happened next day meeting? You build the model, guys. Model is not overfitted, not underfitted. Optimal model you build. Okay, this is the constant model where you deploy the model and app is created by this backend model, right? So before app, the meeting should be there. You set up a meeting with your CEO plus your TL plus your managers. Okay. And by mistake, you remove the random state. You explain all these things. Now they said, can you please run your code? I just wanted to see. So the moment when you run entire thing, I don't want to run one by one now. Okay. I remove random state over here. When I run this code, so let's do this. Accuracy 77. What happened, guys? Now he'll get very nice advice. Earlier you said 92, but now you got 77. Why like that? Isn't it, guys? Now next time also, okay. So can you run it again? Let me restart the kernel. Can you run it again, guys? Let me do it. If I run entire script at once, just one moment. What happened now? You guys meet with CEO. Okay, you guys are discussion with CEO. First time run, you got 77. Second time runs 82. Why like that? You know, random state. What is meant by that? Random state. What is meant by that, guys? When you take the data from the data sets, randomly you pick some sample. So the sample is constant. Okay, the test data should be constant for every time. When I remove the random state equal to 0, what exactly happened, guys? What exactly happened? It will take random rows. In random rows, what happened, guys? You get a error for this one. I hope you understand. So every time random state should be 0. Now the task is you have to build the model with random state 41. Okay, let me write down over here. The first thing, need to build the model with FS means feature scaling. I'm sorry, test sample 15 percentages, 20 percentages, 25 percentages, 30 percentages, 35 percentages, right? With feature scaling and without feature scaling. Understand? With the feature scaling, without feature scaling. The next step is check anywhere model is overfitted or underfitted. How many points? So this is first. This is second. This is third. Okay. The fourth point is change random state value to 0, 41, 51, 100. Clear? And this one, the last but not the least. So build the model with Seeker, understand or not? So now 15% with feature and without feature scaling, build the model. The fifth one, need to predict for future data. Okay. Whether the customer, I'll show you this one and I will give the data set. Okay. So the first one, it will randomly pick the sample, right, Archana? The 5 tasks for you. So this 4 you understand, right? What to do. I'll explain this one. This is the one who complete this. I'm sure you love AI, guys. This is to be honest, because you are going to predict the future tomorrow. The customer, whoever come to the store, whether he going to buy the car or not. This is what the predictions you're going to do now, right? Yeah, let me tell you. Before that, I'm telling you guys. So just one second. So did you see Tangil? She is from Chennai. Okay. So yesterday, 2:16, 2:36 p.m. Hi, sir. I'm Chami. I got an offer letter from Kannin Software Solutions as a trainee data scientist. Thank you for your guidance, sir. Congratulations, Chami. Can you share offer letters and your resume? So happy for you. Thank you for believing me. What package they released you? Shishanda offers. Nice to hear you and thank you for trusting me. Because of your guidance, it is very easy to crack technical rounds. Thank you so much, sir. Best of luck for your future. So let me download this one. I think I already downloaded. And let me download her resume. Yes, resume and offers, 2 things I downloaded. Now, let's online team. Are you listening to me? Yes, guys. Let's go back to the work. The moment when my students get the offers, I'm getting confidence, guys. This is to be honest, I'm saying. Okay. I already downloaded this one. Okay. See this. When she got offer, 525. When is the 525? Day before yesterday, right? Now, by look at these offers, you got confident or not, guys? At least, yes, sir, I'll do it. Kannin Software Solutions. Yes. Mahadevan offer letters, Software Solutions. Trainee associate, lucky girl. With annual competitions 4 lakhs, you will be performing a role as data scientist. And Chennai locations, she will be joined from 27th. And this is the joining bonus. That's okay. Clear, guys? Now, what offers? She is very clever. So what she done? I called her many times because she already changed 2 times only. If you see this, NLC India Limited. Anybody know this one? This is not a software company. You know this NLC? This is not a software company, guys. Okay. Graduate apprentice trainee. Some of the, some entry level, what are things? I told him mention data analyst. She mentioned worked as a data analyst in control and instrumentations division, monitoring the health and use of controllers. Change his some of the technical part and mentioned to analyze the data. I suggested temperature, pressures, flow level from the field, monitoring the healthiness. Default risk analysis, student mark predictions projects, customer churn predictions projects, machine learning. Yeah. What techniques? Doesn't know anything, completely non-technical background. She's more active on classes. There was no offline at the time. She was completely active. Whenever I speak, immediately she responded and she talked to me. Because Online guys, you know what happened? I cannot speak with you right now because offline classes started. Online, every time I'll take your names and I'll ask, are you understand? Are you understand? She's more active on the time. So what packages? Programming willingness to learn, confident, Python, SQLR, Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, sklearn, SciPy, Matplotlib, Spacey, regular expressions, NLTK, GenSim, Flask, URLib, Beautiful Soaps, TensorFlow, Keras, OpenCV. Yeah, these are the packages. Machine learning, LinReg, SVM, random forest, nairbys, DT, logistic, XGBoost, polynomial clustering, web scraping, data cleansing, vectorizations, deep learning, ANNs, inferential description. That's it. Whatever I taught, same thing he pasted. No database, nothing, because completely she mentioned his educations 8.5, 91, 88. If you don't have good score, do not mention this. In interview, nobody asks how much. I got 10th class 37 score, guys, from Odisha University. From plus two, I got 45. Doesn't care about your scores, isn't it? Clear, guys? Now, every week I'm showing one or two offers, isn't it, guys? Every week. So what is meant by that? So I want you guys to be fulfill all these things. So till when the demo has started, last 1 month, I had only 13 offers or maybe 12. You notice, guys? Now 13, 14, 15, 3 is added. Let me see how many of them added. And I want your name to be printed over here. And you should make me proud, guys. And I'm sure by look at your example, every 10 people should motivate it. This is what my goal. Clear? Yes, guys? So did you see every week? Am I telling to create and I'll send it to you? No, right? I didn't tell you to please send this all the document. This is what the freshers resume. Now, whoever 7 years gap, 8 years gap, how to make a resume? That's another day I'll take sessions. Clear? So at this moment, online guys, are you clear? Abhishek, Sindhuri, Nishu, Chandrahas, Kaushik, Washim, and another student. Let me show you. My student is, you know, Jahir Naresh IT. He was my pilot batch guy, assistant professors, and he got the offer. It's almost been a 1.5 month. We've been connect. I've been in touch with him every day. Sir, I completed this course. Thanks, sir, for your continuous support and guidance. He said, sir, I completed the certifications. Can I go for it? Yes, of course. So let me tell you, my dear friends, I'm not wasting your time. I'm not wasting your time. Please do not understand something like that. Okay, I'm not taking less time to take. Whatever times I'm saying, there's a reason for it. There is a reason for it, why I'm showing all those things. Because of this, my students are motivated. Yes, guys, I'm not, if I have some things to show, that's what I show and spending time with you, isn't it or not, guys? Yeah, the same way, please understand, guys. And I need 1 more month to give your resume and upload and keep giving interview. I am sure you get a offers. There is no second thoughts about it. No matter where you, which area you comes from, you know English, you don't know English, or you know confident, not confidence. I am here, so no worries. Clear? Everybody's understand online, guys? Clear or not, guys? Mahapatro, Pramod. Okay. Now I wanted to give you one topic. So we build a lot linear regressions model. So let's open to the work. Everybody's clear up to this part. What happened if I change the random state? What happened, guys? The accuracy is not a optimize. That is not a constant accuracy. That is not a constant accuracy. Understand? No consistency. That's right. Now we build the model, right? We saw the confusion matrix. We saw the what next? What is the next step? What is the reason we build the model? It should be implemented on real time or not? It should be implemented on real time or not? Where do I use this? Let's assume, okay, here, future predictions model comparison. Okay, let me tell you a few things. Let me open the data set now. Just give me some time. So here we go. Just 1 second. Where is data set? This is data set we have. Let's check the attribute of the data. What is the attribute? User ID, gender, age. Listen to me very carefully, guys. Listen to me very carefully. The one who complete this task, you would be, you love AI and ML. So user ID, gender, age, salary, purchase, right? As this is a historical data, I have the purchased column, correct? Because I got to know yesterday someone buy the car or not. But if the data is future, do you know this? If the data is future, do you know this, guys? You have to predict this. What I'm saying? You have to predict this. This is what your work. So let's go for this one. I just opened one Excel. User ID, gender, age, estimated salary. Understand, guys? Yeah. So let's say these are the car company. Let's say Audi. This candidate user ID, he appoint that day after tomorrow, I'll visit to your car to buy the car, to see and check the car. How many candidates, how many rows we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next week, these customers will visit to the store. Being a data scientist, you have to predict whether this customer purchased the car, yes or no, yes or no, yes or no, or no, or no, or yes. Just 1 second. Yes and yes. Let's say you predict this one. How do you predict this one? How do you predict this one? Let me tell you. Control minus. You pass this data set. Listen to me very carefully. You pass this data sets to the model. What is the model name? What is the model name? Classifier. You pass this data set to the model name. When you pass this data, model is ready, guys. Model is already ready. You pass this model to the data set and your model will predict predictions. Let's say model is predict 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1. Understand or not? Your model is predicted this future. Now what next? Next, live test. Testing phase 1. Testing phase 1. What is meant by testing phase? Let's say, what is the tomorrow's date? 28th. So tomorrow this customer visit to the car. If he purchase the, what is the accuracy of this model? What is the accuracy of the model at 20 sample? 92%, right? It's an optimal good model. If this person buy the car, what is your model accuracy? 100%. Before buying, only being a data scientist, you predict, guys. Interesting or not? I hope you guys understand. Tomorrow he's going to buy the car, but you're predicting today. Means 1 month back. And you're testing it. And you're testing it, guys. Okay. Now let's assume tomorrow this customer buy the car. And this customer is 0. And this customer is everything. So let's copy this one. So first level of testing. What is the accuracy? 80%. Good or bad? So if historical data is clear, build a good model. I will tell you what is the problem comes up with the data in real time. Now let's go back to the second level of testing. Before you implementations, you have testing is very essential, guys. Yes or not? Team, are you understand online team? Your Yasin, Washim, everyone. The second level of testing. This is the way the testing is going on, guys. I hope you understand. Now, the next part, I want everyone, another thing. If your logistic regressions model predicts everything is 0, okay? Everything is 0 means entire 10 records is 0. That is a wrong predictions. If your model predicts everything is 1, That is also wrong predictions. Don't you at least one person should 1 or 0, and whatever you works on output, I don't give you the code. You have to think this week, work for me, upload your code in the classroom. I will review this. The one who done this, you love it, guys. This is what the real time. Clear or not? Why we need to learn machine learning? Everybody's understanding, guys. So what exactly the next step? The next step after complete entire machine learning, we will create an app. We will create a app, which is Flask app and all those things. All right. And then how the model act as a backend and the app is a front end, we're going to create in future, which is called end-to-end model deployment using Flask and HTML. Okay. And if possible, I'll try to add some more projects. Can you do this or not? Online team, are you understand? Pratyush, Rahul Reddy, Rihan, Rohan, Sabyasachi, Shiva, Shubhangi, Sinduri, Sushma, Washim, Yasin, Jaid. Guys, I hope you understand. So now, can you do this, guys? And let me know, update your post here, and let's see how many of them done. And the moment when you're done, and I want your name to be printed in my Excel sheets, and this is what I want. And you reach your destiny. That's why you come here from your home and you leave your hometown and you come back here for study. And this is what you achieved it. And you go back and your family should proud of it, guys. To be honest, I'm saying. Clear or not, everyone? Yes. So I will share all the details. On Monday, I will give another use case of logistic regressions. Okay, I will give you a use case of regressions. I will try to do a business use case, and you need to answer for, maybe you take 1 week, 2 week. Maybe if you have any friends, you can discuss and answer me. On Monday, I will explain all those things. Do not create any WhatsApp group, not FB group, not Twitter groups. Any questions, direct connect with me. If you have any errors, just make a equal-minded friends, guys. Understand? I hope you understand what is meant by equal-minded. Yeah. So please. So that's it for today's session. So what I'm gonna do, I will share these notebooks to you. And do you want this also? Right? Yeah. So what is the today's 27th, 30th? I will share a lot of question bank, guys, at the end. We'll see this. Okay. Let's close this and morning batch. I think you have a lot of work. So add to this project list. Chandrahas, are you understand or not? Okay, just 1 second, just 1 second. Team, just 1 second. Don't leave for a day. So here in logistic regressions, I wanted to also give you one link. Okay. So let's copy this. Project 27. This is your class code, right? This is the class code. So what I'm going to do this. I think you have this one. So let's copy this. And what happened, Sharvani? This is one, okay, 27, right? Let me copy this and just gives you this one. Okay, very PCA we done, right? So I want you to how can we build future predict? Wasim, that is what you need to do. That's what some of the work I assigned to you. So I hope you can done it. Yes, please do it. Yes, Wasim. I said the data set which you need for future predictions, you should pass the data in the model. Yeah, you should pass the data in the model. Yes, Wasim, please try to check research this week. Sir, yes, not every time, Shiva, not every time. You need to point to explain on in a company, but while you explain to the recruiter, they don't take accept your PowerPoint, right, Shiva? All those things, yeah. 2 minutes. So here, did you see EDA, logistic regressions, PCA? 3 techniques is covered up in this practical, yeah. Just download the data, what we're learning, what is the curse of dimensionality? I will explain, I didn't talk about this. PCA we done, Python library, import data set, split data set, feature engineering, feature scaling, logistic regressions model, logistic regressions with PCA, okay? Plot explanations, variance ratio, number of dimensions. Understand this, complete this as well. So my dear friend, I want you to complete all these things by Monday, please. Okay, please everyone. And I want you to pass the future data sets to the model, and let's see what is your predictions. Are you guys are good at predictions or not? We're going to see this. Once I reach home, I will share this. Okay, the class is time. Sunday, please complete. 1 month I will give resume to everyone. Okay, I have some special students. I mean, the one who really study well, I definitely help them in different way. Okay, so if you really work hard, I'm also be please try to make you special students, and then I'm definitely I'll help you keep more inside. Clear? Sekhar, understand? What's your name? Pradeep, understand, right, Pradeep? Yeah. Avinash? Avilash, you right? Please do it. Your name? Rashman, I forgot your name, man. Yeah. Okay, see you tomorrow. I'm sorry, see you on Monday. Okay. Thank you and have happy weekends, guys. See you on Monday. Have a good day. Bye. Bye, guys. Yeah.